Welcome to the Auto Vault. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Opel Grandland plug-in hybrid, a bold step forward in Opel's electrified future that combines efficiency, performance, and everyday practicality in a sleek SUV design. Let's begin with the exterior. The new Grandland wears Opel's signature Vizor grille, flanked by ultra-slim Intellilux LED pixel headlamps that give it a dynamic and modern face. Its sculpted lines and strong proportions make it stand out, whether you're cruising in the city or heading out on a weekend getaway. Under the hood, the 2025 Grandland plug-in hybrid packs a powerful combination of a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine and an electric motor, together delivering up to 195 horsepower. This setup not only ensures responsive acceleration and smooth driving, but also optimizes fuel efficiency. The system supports electric-only driving for short daily commutes, with a fully electric range of up to 85 kilometers, perfect for city driving with zero emissions. The interior is where the Grandland truly impresses. It features Opel's pure-panel digital cockpit with twin widescreens, one for the instrument cluster and one for infotainment. The infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and built-in navigation. Materials are soft touch and high quality, and the cabin is both spacious and quiet, offering premium comfort for both driver and passengers. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Grandland comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced awareness and peace of mind. Charging the Grandland plug-in hybrid is easy and efficient. With fast charging capability, the battery can be topped up to 80% in just around 30 minutes at a public charging station, making it convenient for your daily routine. Whether you're looking for a sustainable daily driver, a smart family SUV, or a vehicle that blends performance with efficiency, the 2025 Opel Grandland plug-in hybrid is a compelling option that ticks all the right boxes. Stay tuned for more electrifying car reviews, only here on the Auto Vault.